how do I get everything done? I get asked that a lot as a mom of 8. The truth is I don't, but what I do is prioritize. So happy Monday. I'm going to take you along with me. We got a lot going on today. The title of this video probably says get it all done with. There is no all that will be getting done today. It's not going to happen because nobody can ever get it all done. Hopefully this will show you how I sort of prioritize to get enough done. If you need some help prioritizing, give me one of these and let's jump into it. Grand Central Station here. All right. I've talked before about using regular spiral bound notebooks to help me prioritize. I will link that video. One of the biggest ways I get things done is to distinguish between routine things. These are just things that have to get done all the time, and priority. All right, it is loud in here. That is actually reality between animals and kids and machines running and dogs. Hi, dog. Hey, buddy. Distinguish between routine and priority. Now, occasionally routine things can become priority, like our animal enclosures. So the animal enclosures got put off last week, so they have become a priority today. The other two things that we have going on today, it is a race day. These are our gun times. We've got Joe and Kavannah running this one, Declan running this one. We have to be there an hour beforehand, and it is about an hour and a half away. So that means backing up, we need to be there at 4:45, which means we need to leave by 3:15. We have to drop my nephews off at work with their mom first, so it means we are leaving our house at 3 o'clock this afternoon. So that is our deadline. It is 10. All right, so animal enclosures, that also means that my next priority is to get dinner packed for the kids. And I happen to have just found out that there is a surprise coming. I had a surprise visit from somebody very dear to us that wanted to come visit. They're in town, and so we're gonna make space for that. So those are my priority things. These are the only above and beyond that I'm gonna do today. Now, routine things that I have to do every day. I need to make bread, do the dishes, I need to run a load of laundry. Today is my laundry day. I'm gonna get to school. Now, I may not get to everybody given our surprise visitor, but we're gonna give it a shot. I need to make lunch, and we need to clean up the house so that we can enjoy our visitor. I have this teacher planner with all of my lists. We're rolling with it. We're gonna do the things. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check off bread. Chances are I will still make another loaf later today, but I'm at least on par, if not ahead. All right, Declan is emptying the dishwasher behind me. There it is. So that I can do dishes. I'm gonna go get my laundry so I can start a load. The kids are working on their animal enclosures. I'm also gonna try to eat my breakfast because I made it like half an hour ago and it's still sitting here.
And I'm also
So be sure to take care of yourself in the middle of there.
boys. Oh no, Cam, you're supposed to get all this. Lion, guys. No, the lion may grow. Me and Gavrel made a footprint.
You did.
I can now fire ant. Beep boop. Not all ants are fiery.
Was it a fire ant or was it a different kind of ant?
It was a fire ant, but now he looks sandy. Don't tell it. Don't tell it. Why?
Push it.
Okay. Well,
Should I come and act what? Got it?
Mom, what do we got? Food. We got to the way.
Well, we did not get everything on my to-do list done, but we did get all the priorities. So we're in the car, we're gonna go race. Woo! You know, we'll pick it up again tomorrow. It was fun to get to see Sammy. And you know, people are priority over stuff. And I still got my priorities done, so sometimes that's just enough.